Indian troops, in their fresh act of state terrorism, martyred two Kashmiri youth in the Kupwara district. The youth were killed by the troops in a fake encounter during a cordon and search operation in the Keran area of the district on Thursday. The operation continued till last reports came in. People staged a massive protest against the custodial killing of a youth in the Pulwama district. Indian forces personnel fired tear gas and the bullets to disperse the protesters in Avantipura area of the district, resulting in injuries to many. The protest is ongoing on the Srinagar-Jammu highway. Kashmiris on both sides of the line of control and the world over will observe the accession to Pakistan Day tomorrow, Friday, July 19th, with a renewed pledge to continue the plebiscite struggle for Jammu and Kashmir and its complete merger with Pakistan. July 19 is an important day of the Kashmir history, as in 1947 the people of Kashmir had decided their accession to Pakistan even before the partition of the Indian subcontinent. Jammu and Kashmir Democratic Freedom Party has praised the steadfastness of its chairman Shabir Ahmad Shah on the completion of 7 consecutive years in the Indian infamous Tihar jail. DFP acting chairman Mahmood Ahmad Sagar, in a statement in Islamabad, said that Shabir Shah was arrested in the manner of kidnapping from Srinagar on the fake cases. Delegation of the All Parties Hurriyat Conference Azad Jammu and Kashmir chapter, led by the convener Ghulam Muhammad Safi, met with the team of Tanzeem-e-Islami at the Quran Academy in Lahore to request a participation in a rally scheduled for tomorrow.